Mga bellas. Wala. Ganda nga rin.
Ano ni Kylie? Ganito.
Ganyan ko ng pang-model din na smile. Okay, happy na katabi yung dala.
Grabe, na-sweet niya naman.
Kwento niya kasi ganyan.
I'm ready. Hi! Oh, pretty, pretty. Hi, Sue. You're wearing my bag. Na.
si Carla, nakita ko na mas masaya na siya lagi. Parang kompleto na siya. Kaya it was clear to me that he had found someone truly special. Carla, you bring out the best in Dex. To Dex and Carla. Cheers.
Everybody, let's all cheers! I didn't know it was!
So your heart tonight sleep will stay quiet underneath shooting star. If it helps you sleep, and hold me tight, don't let me breathe. There's a firefly loose tonight, better catch and the light if I don't feel. Teach my skin with your lips, heart to heart.
Family-oriented, career-oriented, very focused sila kung ano gusto nila marating, and good parents to Kylie. So, dagdagan pa natin ang prayers natin na lagi tayo maging healthy para tuloy-tuloy ang blessings.
I still remember the day Miguel was born. Normal delivery. Ang hirap pala mag-normal. From that day, naisip ko, ay salamat, may kasama na ako sa buhay ko na matatawag ko na sa akin. Watching him grow into a remarkable man he is today has been one of my greatest blessings. And sobrang proud ako. Tinuruan at napilitan siyang maging independent kasi wala ako eh. Then came the day he met Carla. From the moment I saw them together, I knew there was something special about their connection. Carla, you bring out the best in Miguel. And I'm thankful for the love and happiness you have brought into his life. May your lives be filled with joy, love, and laughter, and may you continue to grow together as a family. I love you.
Palakpakan po natin ang our friend, Dex! What? Ang sisisip ko? Iba to ah. What? Dahil? Kunin mo na and show it to everybody, wave it in the air. Palakpakan po natin at ipasa mo na. Kauna-una ang babaeng nagmahal. Kay Dex ay walang iba kundi ang kanyang loving mother. Palakpakan po ulit natin lahat. Mommy Catherine, Marlene, and Prius. Thank you.
I remember how sweet when you danced on my feet. sama. Pinipili ang sarili ko, tumagal sana tayo sabay. Sa lahat. Sa wakas, universe, the one is precious, I need to make it through, but it's just the other way around. You can make your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Love story na. Dati kasi, nung inililigaw ko si Carla, sinisendan ko sa mga voice note ng mga sa'yo lang. Hindi ako makatulog. Heto na naman. Palakpan natin si Sir Dex. Ang favorite daw ng kinanta ni Sir Dex ay Baliw, pero ang favorite song ni Miss Carla ay Profanities. Kasi may mga alam ng mga lumang kanta namin, sila po yung mga talagang fans ng Sweet. So, palakpakan nyo. Thank you so much!
Binibili ko, sana maintindihan. Alam ko kailan tayo nagkaroon. Ngunit para sa'yo ay lumayo. Minahal kita agad. Iligtas na sa'yo.
pa. Taas natin. Sir, halika dito. Kailangan mo kantayin yung last chorus, okay? Tapos habang sumasiyaw tayo, kailangan kantayin natin yung tinuro ko sa inyo. Okay? 1, 2, 3, boom! Kayo naman! Congratulations, next to Carla. Welcome soon.
Opened up my eyes.
Just spend the day dreaming, dreaming, baby, so much we can be together. The story's just begun. Just begun.
Wow.
Take my hand
Wow.
setting the sun. The story's just begun.
Ngayon na yung same day edit.
Pretty.
Woo! Ganda. Wow.
There is no rhyme or reason why
Ano, more on excited.
Excited. Onting ka ba? Pero talagang excited ako.
Tingnan natin. Pero I'm not one to shy away from my emotions. Isa yun sa strengths ko, I think. Sobrang supportive niya sa mga gusto mong gawin niya.
We are praying for the success of the marriage of Tex and Carla. Or you should not forget the promise that you have made, especially this day, that we love each other till death we will part. Sabihin, kahit na ang kamatayan, hindi makapaghihiwalay sa inyong pag-ibigan.
Carla, babe. Siguro naman di ko na kailangan patunayan pa kung gano'n ito kamahal. Pangalawang beses na kita papakasalan. Yung susunod na siguro sa 50th anniversary na natin. I may not be the most religious person, pero minsan hirap din maniwala at makomprehend kung paano ka dumating sa buhay ko.
Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na super thank you. You've been my rock, as in, sobrang hirap maging mom/manganak. Pero hindi mo ako iniwan. Thank you for being patient, understanding, and most of all, loving. Never ka nagreklamo, never mo pinaramdam sa akin na pagod ka na, kahit alam ko, pagod ka na sa pag-aalaga sa akin and Kylie.
Thank you for being my wife. Thank you for being the best mom to Kylie. I know I don't say it enough, pero mahal na mahal kita. At mamahalin ka hanggang sa huli ng buo.
Take everything we have and let the new begin. Won't give up, won't give in. Take everything we have and let the new begin.
Excited na akong tahakin ng journey natin together sa mga ma-accomplish mo in life, in your career, and as a wife, and as a mother. Again, I love you, Carla. My only kakab.
husband and father to Kylie. I love you so much, my forever, and again, paulit-ulit kong sasabihin sa'yo na hindi ka na ulit magiging mag-isa. You have me and Kylie forever. I love you so much.
And that's it, everybody, for your
Sobrang thankful kami na umagan kayo, nag-spend time kayo with us. Super important po sa amin yun.
Thank you for supporting this wedding and supporting our relationship. Thank you for showing up. The night is still young. Like I said, we don't ask for anything but your presence. Your presence is everything to us. Because wala, parang time is something we can't get back.
3, 2, and a 1. Once again,
Oh my God!